ठीक है. कितना दिन हो गया अभी आपका?
12 दिन हो गया.
हो गया 1 मिनट. We'll have to just put some steri strip for him. बस थोड़ा टेप लगाएंगे. नहीं स्टिचेस निकालना है फर्स्ट. यानी all stitches you have to remove the stitches. इनका पहले का फोटो दिखाओ. हाँ 3 हुआ था ना. So you can see here he had a very severe issue here. There was a total collapse in the septum, breathing problem, 3 earlier surgeries, and this is him now 10 days after we've done the tertiary redo rhinoplasty. Side view देखिए. So it's come out very well. This thick skin has been reduced. This area on the cheek has been made smoother. These sutures will be removed now. The hump has been removed. The radix has been augmented. The waviness on the dorsum has been set right. Still a lot of swelling and obviously more because a lot of work has been done on the bone and also it's a tertiary nose job. 2 rhinoplasties with septoplasties done for him before rib harvest was done. And that's him now. Right.